back again with another hall tour video. If this is your first time seeing me, thank you for coming, and please hit that like and subscribe button so that way you can keep up with more UNT hall tours. UNT, University of North Texas, gotta specify. If you guys are returners, thanks for coming to see me again, and I plan on doing all the residence halls just because I've gotten a couple of requests, so why not just do all of them? Why not? So I'm standing right in front of College Inn, which is going to be one of our upperclassmen residence halls. This hall is going to be, of course, like I said, upperclassmen, also our graduate students, and our international students for IELI. So there's a wide variety of people that live here, from young 18-year-olds to even 50-year-olds. So the vibes are chill. College Inn has a lot of history, and we're going to go explore everything that College Inn has to offer. If you're somebody who's been assigned here, say off of the assignment queue, off the wait list, and you can't get a tour to come up here, I find it useful to be able to give you guys kind of a walkthrough of what this hall looks like, just so that way you can get a vague idea of what the hall has to offer and what your room type is going to be. I will put timestamps just so that way if you only care about your specific room type, you can go and see when I start talking about that room type and start doing a video tour of that room type. But let's go ahead and jump into this tour. So this is going to be our 24-hour study room computer lab. So right behind me is going to be a row of computers, and they're all free for students who live here to use. And they're connected to the Wi-Fi, so they're never going to fritz out on you. There's going to be a time where you have to turn in an assignment and you decide to waste the last minute because, we put the pro in procrastination, and it's going to be 11:57, you have to turn at 11:59, and what are you going to do? You're going to rush down here. You're going to, with the speed of light, and you're going to hop on this computer, log into your thingy, turn in your assignment, and thank God we're saved. This room is also used if you want to meet up with people. Let's say you do want to have people over to come hang out, or you want a study group, but you don't necessarily want them to come into your room. But then you can just bring them here, because all it takes is your ID swipe card to get in. There is no key that you have to get for the study lab here. So this is going to be the laundry room here at College Inn, and this is one of 2 laundry rooms that we have. There is going to be another one on the 2nd floor. Sorry, 3rd floor people, you guys will get a laundry room. But just like all of our other facilities on campus, this laundry room is going to be coinless, so you don't have to pay to do your own laundry. Just bring your own detergent. We do have seating areas here inside the laundry room, so me personally, if I was doing my laundry and I knew I couldn't really go anywhere, I'd bring study materials in here, and I knew I was at least going to study for the 2 hours that it took me to do my laundry. I will say at College Inn, you won't have a terrible time doing your laundry, like trying to find a machine, that sort of thing, but people do tend to wash their clothes more often here just because it's upperclassmen and graduate students that live here. So we got a few more responsible folks. No shade on you freshmen, but you guys don't like doing laundry, so it is what it is.
It's so special, what feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole.
So this is going to be the game lounge here at College Inn. So essentially, if you want to come in here, you just need to go downstairs and get the key from your front desk, and your front desk is going to be open 24 hours, so it's going to be constantly manned by somebody, so you'll be able to come up here. Normally the kind of events that happen here pre-COVID-19, my RA put on like a pot painting event, which was very fun. We got succulents, got paint pots. There's sometimes game nights. Someone let us use their Disney Plus. We had a Disney Plus movie night. So there are things that go on in here. Even I had my own event. I had a vision board party event. We do provide you the supplies to be able to use the pool table, ping pong table, unlike the freshman residence halls, because you guys are adults. You guys know not to shove things up your ass and do weird shit with the supplies, and you know how to put them back. So we're trusting you, and we're using the honor system, that you're not going to mess up the things we have here. Otherwise, no one can use it. College Inn, even though it's a pretty quiet hall, just because we do have so many different types of people that live here, it is still pretty involved if you take the initiative to put yourself out there. So this is going to be the double occupancy here at College Inn. As you can see right behind me, there are going to be 2 beds. Both of them go to a maximum height of 3 feet, and the mattress size is going to be the twin extra large. Each of you will have a desk chair, a desk add-on, and a little dresser inside the room as well. I will say these walls are cinder block, so attempting to put a hole in the wall is kind of not possible, but command strips are always welcome if you want to hang anything up. Also, for the walls, for me in my room, I used peel and stick wallpaper. I bought like marble paper from Target. It was $5.99, and I ended up putting that on my walls just to give it a little bit of splash of color, you know, some personality, you know? So these are going to be the 2 desks that you guys are going to receive, and you can see it's just a regular standard desk. You're going to have 3 drawers here, and also an additional drawer to like put like, you know, pencils, papers, planners, that sort of thing to tuck under. And you're also going to have this shelf add-on. So right behind me is going to be the sink area, and you and your roommate will both be sharing this space. You have a towel bar here to hang up your towels. There's also a towel bar on the bathroom, which is to my right, your left, however this is going to do its thing. And also right over here, this mirror, you can open it so that way you can, you know, put like medicine things in here. That's what I use it for anyway. And over here to my left, maybe your right, is going to be the closet. So this here is going to be the double efficiency here at College Inn, and the difference between the double occupancy and the double efficiency is that the efficiency is going to come with a kitchen, which includes a stove, a stovetop, and a sink, and a lot more cabinet space for like a makeshift pantry. Just like how I said in the other rooms, you're gonna have 2 beds. They're gonna go to a maximum height of 3 feet, twin extra large. You're each gonna get a dresser underneath your bed, or you can move it if you'd like. You're going to have your desks, and they do have add-ons, like you can see of this one behind me, just like how we had in the double occupancy room. And you'll have desk chairs, which you can swap out if you want to, but you're not allowed to take anything out of the rooms, but you can bring things in. You just gotta find somewhere to store the things that you wanna move around. Curtains don't come in this room, but we do provide you with blinds, and in the kitchen we don't provide you with a refrigerator or with a microwave. Those are things that you would have to bring on your own. And also, unfortunately, you cannot control the air in this room, just because throughout all of College Inn it's all centralized. So I always recommend bringing like a heater or a fan, depending on what temperature you like to keep your room at. Just because since we are on the outside, we aren't really in an enclosed space. This place used to be an apartment. And also the walls are cinder block, so it does tend to trap heat as well. So I'd always recommend bringing either a fan or a heater. So inside of the double efficiency, you will have your stovetop that comes with 4 eyes, and you're gonna have your oven here. And as I said previously, we will not provide you with a fridge or a microwave. You're willing to bring those things yourself. And even though this is like an official kitchen area, all your appliances still need to be below 1,000 watts. So that rule does still apply. Right over here we have a sink, and the sink does have a garbage disposal, which is useful. And also it does come with a dehumidifier. So we do give all of our students dehumidifiers in their rooms. And kind of all around me is just a lot of cabinet space, storage for like pantries, cleaning supplies, rooms, that sort of thing. So unlike in the double occupancy where you've only got the drawers, dressers, you have a lot of storage space here.
It's so special, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never.
This is going to be the Matchbox single here at College Inn. The difference between a Matchbox single and like the normal singles you would see at the residence halls, this room is just a little bit more narrow than the other singles that you're going to see. And that's really kind of the only difference between the Matchbox and a normal single. So these beds, again, 3 feet, twin extra large, and you will have this corkboard in your room. You're gonna have a dresser, a desk with a desk chair. You do not get the desk add-on, which is still have a desk, and then it's still gonna have a dehumidifier. And you're going to be the only person living in this room, and there's only gonna be one other person on the other side, and the both of you will be sharing that bathroom. But also, isn't this dramatic lighting like kind of cool though? So, for our graduate students who want to stay with us at UNT, you would automatically be placed into College Inn, and this is what your space will look like. So we do provide you with couches, a table, a desk and a desk chair, another table in the back, and like a TV stand. So all of these things in here are movable. You can rearrange your room however you see fit. However, once again, you cannot take things out of this room. You can't replace furniture. If you have your own couch, you can bring your couch in addition to the ones that we provide you, but you cannot remove things from the room. So I would suggest, if you're very finicky about couches, buy those like couch covers that they have online. Just make sure they fit your couch, and that kind of solves that problem. So at College Inn, we do provide you with a full kitchen. So as well as with the double efficiency, you'll get a stove and a stovetop, but we also give you a microwave, a dishwasher, and a fridge as well. And this is a full fridge, so you guys know I'm not lying. I know you can barely see it, but you can tell it's a real fridge. But this is everything we provide for you. The sink also has a garbage disposal as well. So this is pretty much your graduate apartment. This is everything we give to you, and you've got all this cabinet space along the top and the bottom. Ah! So inside of your bedroom, instead of you having a twin extra large bed, we're going to provide you with a full-size bed. Some people do have their own mattresses that they want to bring, but once again, you cannot take things out of the room. If you want to like double stack your mattress in like 3-tier, you can totally do that, but you can't take anything out of this room. You're also going to get a dresser that has 5 drawers in it, and you're going to get a little side table. And then, as I showed previously, your closet, which is a pretty large size, you could potentially bring your entire closet with you when you come here. So that's a perk. Something that's also different about the grad apartments is you can control the AC in this room. So you do not have a dehumidifier, but you do have full control over the heat and the AC, unlike the other room types we have here. And inside of your bathroom is just going to be, like a regular shower, sink, and the space is a lot bigger than you would normally see in either the Matchbox single, the double, or the double efficiency. All right, guys, and that is going to be the end of the College Inn tour. If you liked the video, if you thought that this was pretty informative, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. If there's another residence hall that you want to see, that you want me to do, I'm more than happy to do it. I'm going to be doing Legends Hall next because that was requested. If you haven't already, please hit the like button down below. And if you did like this kind of content, I do make college advice videos as well as natural hair videos. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.